everyone, my name is Adam and I'm the owner of Intique Motors, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys this 1983 Porsche 911 SE. We're going to do a walk around, we'll fire it up with a nice cold start, and then we'll take it out on the road and show you guys what it can do. So this is the 83, so it's a 3-liter, flat 6, 915 5-speed transmission, finished in a really great color combination of slate blue metallic over a gray beige leather interior. This 911 was sold new in '83 at Berlin Porsche in Virginia, and it's had 3 owners since new, 2 of them in North Carolina, from '83 to '91 with the original owner, and then '91 to 2018 with the second owner, before it came here to Michigan in 2018 with its third owner. Between the second and third owners, right before it changed hands, the car was refinished in its original factory, slate blue metallic, full glass out, seals out, everything done the right way. Beautiful job they did. This is better than factory condition, the paint, the quality as it is now today. So you'll be very happy and pleased with that. Newer BF Goodrich tires on the 16-inch Fuchs. And I really want to show you guys this exterior. You know, when you open that door, you got the blue with the gray beige, just a great color combo. You know, the door panels, leather seats, the carpet, the headliner, everything's in great shape. And as we pan over to the dash, show you guys it's got a Momo Prototipo steering wheel. We do have the factory one that comes with it, as well as there's now a Bluetooth, aftermarket Bluetooth function hooked up to the Blaupunk head unit so you can play stuff off your phone. Let's go check out the engine. So like I mentioned a little earlier, this has got the 3-liter. This one, we do have a lot of documentation for this car. Part of that documentation shows the head studs were done, as well as the Carrera tensioners were done. And then in the most recent service we did have the turbo tie rods done, so you got the big 3 done to this car, ready to roll. No modifications really, other than an air conditioning system was added at one point. The condenser's still here. The compressor's not currently installed, but it is included with the car, so it goes with the car. And most importantly, I always think, we have the COA for this car, numbers matching engine, so the engine on the number on the engine matches the COA, so we can validate that. Let's go check out the service records that we have for the car, and then we'll fire it up, take it outside. Okay, now I want to show you guys some of the service records and history we have for the car. So I want to start with the COA on the car. So as we can see here, we've got slate blue metallic, gray beige leather. This is all the equipment that it came with originally, and this will be in our gallery on our website too. So if you really want to look through it a little more, be sure to see our website. This is one of my favorite things. I've had a lot of air cools over the years. I always go for the maintenance booklet first. So here's the stamp from Berlin Porsche, July 15th, 1983. And they filled out both ownership, original and second ownership. Looks like when it changed hands in 1991, it had a little under 40,000 miles on it. And then there's some stamps as well from service visits. So it looks like it was delivered new with, I think that's 20 miles. And then we got some additional service in 83. That's 83 as well. 86, 87, 88, 88, 91, 91, 92, 92, 92. So all the way through almost 56,000 miles. It's been stamped in the books. But we can do one better than that. We have literally over 80 service records that come with this car. The earliest one I have is from 1991. But, I mean, there's just pages and pages and pages. Like I said, there's over 80 of them here. So, and I took delivery, added them all up. It's almost $84,000 in total service spent on the car. So pretty much open checkbook. So this is the most recent service we had done. We spent almost $4,100. So this will be all in our gallery as well. But we did, you know, brake fluid, valve cover gaskets, you know, balance the tires. We did the turbo tie rod update, ball joints, alignment, air filter, you know, a full service, a full comprehensive service we did for the car. So it's all ready to roll, ready to go, and most importantly, all this service records document the original 97,300 miles on the car. So it's all here, ownership chain, service history, all backed up with paperwork. So that's always important to have in an air-cooled 911. Now we're going to do a cold start. And before I get into fire it up, this does have an SSI stainless steel exhaust with heat exchangers. So I'm sure some of you have already noticed the pipe sticking out. It's not factory looking. Sounds awesome. So we'll fire it up, do a cold start, and then you'll be able to hear this sing out on the highway when we take it out for a ride. Cold start, so you know that exhaust sounds great at idle, but now let's get it outside. We'll take it for a ride and probably get it to 75, 80 miles an hour, show you some highway speed, some city street driving, and then we'll bring it back here and call it a day. All right, now that we got the car outside, we're gonna go ahead and fire it up, show you guys some of the systems that are operating, and then we'll take it for a little drive. All right, so first I'm gonna start with the power windows. Good. Do the sunroof. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, this has got a Bluetooth feature, but you know, I haven't really messed with the full system yet. But there's the Bluetooth ping, so I know that it connects to your phone. I just haven't been able to get any, AM, FM reception or anything like that. But it does play through your Bluetooth, so there's that. All right, current odometer reading is 97,321. Go for a little drive. That SSI exhaust sounds so good. I really hope the camera's picking up that sound as well as it sounds in here. We got through some of the traffic. We're going to be getting onto the freeway here. We usually do a little loop that we'll do right up, on this trip here. We'll go up the freeway, turn around, come back, and try to get a good demo of what the car can do, and that all the systems are working. Daily drive this car. Very comfortable. Keeps up with modern traffic, no problem. We're doing 70 miles an hour right now. And there's 80. Turning at about 3,300 RPM. And that SSI exhaust sounds so good. I'm not sure if the video's picking it up as well as I can hear it in person, but it sounds really good. Nice and tight, no issues. good. Oh yeah, no issues. Everything's. We just changed the brake fluid on it too, so. Transmissions to the G50 in the G-body world, and I've driven both, and yeah, the G50 is a little bit smoother, but there's nothing wrong with a good 915. I always tell people that they produce these cars more years with a 915 than with a G50, and they're still really robust and fun transmissions to drive. So that's what you get with an 83. Sounds so good. Fifth gear, 70 miles an hour, 3,000 RPM. Drive the car with two fingers, it's very comfortable. HVAC works too. It's got heat. And you can reinstall the air conditioning if you want. All the gauges are working, good oil pressure, oil temp. Nice dialed in example and a great color combo. I really like this color combo. This car is for sale, so if you live not in Metro Detroit, don't worry about that. We ship so many cars globally annually, so we have great relationships with many high-end haulers out there. We can put the car in your driveway anywhere in the world. So if you have an interest in buying the car, do not worry about shipping. We can help you with that. Matter of fact, it's pretty rare we sell anything locally, so most of our stuff does ship out. So as you can see, I hope this driving demo demonstrates that you can live with this car in daily traffic. Just as easy as you can out on a country road hitting some corners and some long straightaways. These are just really fun cars to drive. They have a lot of utility as well. The front has a ton of room. You've got this package tray behind us, which is technically it's two seats, but anyone that's owned one of these cars or even looked in the back seat knows you're not going to fit an adult back there, so doubles as extra storage. So we're going to take it back to the warehouse now, and this is just some city driving with some more traffic, so I don't want to bore you guys with that. So we'll end the video here. I hope the demonstration has been, let's just listen to that. Wow, what a sound. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and like I mentioned, this 911 is for sale, so if you have any interest in it, You can check it out on our website, vinteekmotors.biz. When you give us a call, 734-956-0041, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed.